Have you ever noticed when you're looking down on something, it looks wider at the top than it does at the bottom? For example, from where you're looking, this pad looks wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. And this is a good tip to remember when drawing cartoons. In fact, think of it in terms of triangles. Try this yourself. Take a pencil and draw a very rough upside-down triangle on a piece of paper. Now, it doesn't have to be neat or perfect, because this is just a guide. Then take a pen and inside the triangle, draw a body. Now, this is going to look very strange to start with, but just bear with me and you'll see what I'm doing. Just put the eyes in there and keep everything inside the triangle. Don't know what he's smiling at. It's going to look very painful in a minute. Look at this. Arms go in. Body goes in there. Hands, again, keeping it inside the triangle, and squeeze those legs in so that the whole person looks wider at the top and narrower at the bottom. And it almost looks as if you're looking down on the person. Good effect, that. Now, it even works for things like buildings. Watch this. An upside-down triangle, again, very rough as a guide. And, of course, you can rub out your guidelines afterwards. But I'll leave them on just to show you. A couple of upside-down triangles. I think I'll draw a nice big tall building in here. In fact, a block of flats. So look at that, keeping to the triangle. And these buildings are wider at the top, narrower at the bottom. And we've just established it looks as if you're looking down on the building. Again, I'm just putting the windows in. You notice I'm keeping to that triangular shape there. Just draw them in rough. I love doing cartoons like this. And it looks as if you're flying over the city there. Well, it also works the other way round, with a right way up triangle. Again, a very rough guide triangle. And if you thought that person was weird, wait till you see this. I'm going to squeeze that head in the top there. There he is. And then just put the body in. And this is going to look very weird to start with. There it is, just put his arm in. And his hands. See the way his hands are looking bigger as they come towards you? And get the legs in there, keeping them inside the triangle, following the shape of the triangle. There he goes. And some feet at the bottom. And it sort of looks as if you're underneath the person looking up. It's a kind of Honey, I Shrunk the Artist. Try it yourself. Upside-down triangles to look down on something, and right way up triangles to look up at something.
Oh, that's a nice tip, is that? An upside-down triangle to look down on something, and a right-way-up triangle to look up at something. So, with a right-angled triangle, you must be able to see round corners.